do the extra ibadat or the extra the Nafl acts. And the best Nafl act is related with Salah, because Salah itself has such high merits. So if right now we are in a habit of only performing our fard prayers, that we just do 4, 2, 4, 4, 3, 4, and that's all the Salah that we pray, then learn what are the Nafl or the Sunnah that are related to it, and try to do all the Sunnahs. So Fajr, in any case, we should be doing 2 Sunnah, 2 Fard, Zohar, 4 Sunnahs, then 4 Fard, and then 2 Sunnahs at minimum. Then Asr, 4 and 4, Maghrib, if you do 3 Fard, 2 Sunnahs at minimum, and if you can do then another set of 2, 4, 6. If you do another 6 after that, that was even gives you bigger reward. Then Isha, do your Sunnahs as well, before and after, and inshallah that will give you more reward. However, because majority of us have a lot of Salah from past to make up, and given that the fard reward carries more reward, fard action carries more reward, I recommend that with every Salah, do a qaza of the past Salah that you have missed out. So for example, if you're coming for Fajr, before your Fajr, pray the qaza of your Fajr. After before your Zohar, pray the qaza of your Zohar as well. Before your Asr, pray the qaza of your Asr. After your Maghrib, pray the qaza of your Maghrib. Before or after your Isha, pray the qaza of your Isha. Do these qaza as well, because inshallah if you get to do these qaza salahs, then A, you will make up for the salahs that you have missed, and B, you will inshallah get more reward of doing it in this month, because the rewards are multiplied. So do these voluntary acts of ibadat more and more.